Students, now we're starting atomic structure. Primary model was given by Thomson. Before the discovery of Thomson's model, electrons were discovered, and he told that we're having a lump of the positive charge. Matter is positively charged lump like a cake, and inside that small electrons are there. These are electrons, that is negatively charged. Positive charge matter with electrons in it. This is the Thomson's model. After that, Rutherford's model came. Let us see the Rutherford's model, what it was, and how Rutherford found that model. Rutherford did the gold foil experiment, famous gold foil experiment. A very thin foil of the gold can be made. This is famous gold foil experiment, in which he bombarded this foil, the gold foil, with the alpha particles. Alpha particles are positively charged. Alpha particles are the positively charged particles. And when the alpha particles were bombarded here, then most of the alpha particles, without any deflection, traveled straight. Most of the alpha particles passed through the gold foil without any deviation in their path. Some of the alpha particles were deviated with small angles, very few, very few, and only 1 in 10,000 particles deviated by more than 90-degree angle. That means this is the alpha particle. That means there is a big space which is empty, and there is a very small point where all the mass positively charged is placed. And after this experiment, existence of nucleus was proposed by Rutherford, and hence the Rutherford nuclear model. Nuclear atom. So let us see what else Rutherford told. So what was Rutherford's nuclear atom? According to Rutherford, most of the matter is consisted in nucleus, and nucleus is positively charged. Therefore, most of the alpha particles passes from the nearby empty space undeflected, but only few are deflected by the nucleus, because the alpha particle is also positively charged. Alpha particles are positively charged. It has +2 charge. So it was the first time when a nucleus was found. So according to Rutherford, the model given was very simple model. He told that all the positive charge of the atom is at a small place which is called as nucleus, and around the nucleus electrons move in the spiral path, and slowly the electrons fall inside the nucleus and the existence of the atom ends. This was the biggest drawback of Rutherford theory, because we have never seen the ending of the existence of the atom. So after that, which theory came? Let us see that. The Bohr's theory of hydrogen-like atoms. It was Niels Bohr who proposed the new theory for the atom. Basically, he proposed the theory for the hydrogen-like atoms. But for the atom more complicated than that, Bohr's theory was not applicable. But from where he found this theory, this is very interesting. He was thinking from many days that what will be the structure of the atom, how protons are there, how electrons are there, and one night he saw a dream that he is at the center where it is burning, and around it some heavenly body